first, what is the Fibonacci sequence? You may have come across this in biology. It's actually a sequence that's used in nature. The first number in the Fibonacci sequence is 1. Sometimes you'll see a 0. It won't make any difference because when you're looking for the next number in the Fibonacci sequence, you're adding the last two numbers of the sequence together to get the next number. So whether that 0 is there or not, you're adding that 1 to nothing. So 1 and nothing is 1. Now we add the last two numbers to get the next number in the sequence. So 1 add 1, that's 2. Now we add the last two numbers to get the next number, and 1 and 2, that's 3. And now we add the last two numbers, 2 and 3, that's 5. See if you can find the next three numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. If you want to pause the video here and have a go. So remember, we add the last two numbers that we have of the sequence so far. 3 add 5, that's 8. Now we add 5 and 8, that's 13, and 8 and 13, that's 21. And you just keep going, and that's the Fibonacci sequence. Sometimes you'll get a question and it's a Fibonacci-style sequence, so they'll be using numbers that aren't necessarily in the Fibonacci sequence. Here we have the beginning of a Fibonacci-style sequence, 4, 8 and 12. And you just apply the same rules as the Fibonacci sequence to find the next term in the sequence. So adding the last two together, 8 and 12, the next term is 20. Now we add the last two terms, 12 and 20, that's 32, and add 20 and 32, and that's 52. All kinds of numbers can be used for a Fibonacci-style sequence. For example, here we have negative numbers. What are the next three numbers in this Fibonacci-style sequence? It's the same rule. We add the last two terms to make the next one. -3 add -4. Remember, that's the same as -3 take away 4. So -3 add -4 is -7. -4 add -7, that's -11, and -7 add -11, that's -18. You could get decimal numbers. So 0.5, 0.7, 1.2, same thing. Add the last two terms. 0.7 add 1.2, that's 1.9. 1.2 add 1.9 is 3.1. 1.9 add 3.1, that's 5. You could be given fractions or mixed numbers. It's exactly the same. As long as you remember how to add the last two terms together, you'll be able to complete a Fibonacci-style sequence.